Hi everyone! Welcome again to Math Den. Ang topic naman natin ngayon ay how to solve for present value still under the topic of compound interest of more than once a year. So ito yung general formula natin for the present value. So dinerive natin siya from general formula ng F. So this is derived from the general formula F is equals to P times the quantity of 1 plus R over M raised to M times T. So, dinerive natin to dahil ang unknown natin ngayon ay present value. Ito na siya. P is equal to F over the quantity of 1 plus R over M raised to M times T. So, pag ito yung formula na gagamitin natin, positive yung M times T. Pero pag etong gagamitin natin, gusto natin nasa isang linya lang lahat sila, magiging negative yung MT natin. So it's like the reciprocal of this part, kaya naging negative. Okay, so let's have example. Example number 1, find the present value. So if this is the present value, this 50,000 pesos is the future value due in 4 years. So this is time. If the money is invested at 12%, so that is the rate, compounded semi-annually. Okay, semi-annually is compounding period. So highlighted na ulit ang ating given, i-rewrite lang muna natin. We have the future value, 50,000. We have the time in years, so that is 4 years. We have the rate of interest, so that is annual, 12%. Converted to decimal, that is 0.12. Then we have the compounding period of 2 because it is semi-annually. So we're looking for the value of present value. So isa lang ang pinapahanap, so we have a single solution. So solution, P is unknown. So kahit alin dyan ang gamitin nating formula, kung saan kayo convenient. So ito ang pakita natin, yung positive, ang exponent. So we have F all over the quantity of 1 plus R over M raised to M times T. Substitute natin, we have 50,000 all over the quantity of 1 plus 0.12 divided by 2 raised to 2 times 4. So, pwede natin i-simplify ito at itong exponent. So, yan naman ay magiging P is equals to 50,000 all over the quantity of 1 plus 0.06 raised to 8. So, ibig sabihin, 0.12 divided by 2 is 0.06. Then, 2 times 4 is 8 as the exponent. So, the value for P is 31,370.62. Yung 0.62 natin, rounded off na siya to 2 decimal places. Therefore, the present value is 31,370.62. So let's have another example for this topic rather. Example number 2, what is the present value of 25,000 pesos due in 2 years and 6 months if the money is worth 10% compounded quarterly. So we are looking for the present value given with the future value. We have the time, the rate of interest, and the compounding period. So i-rewrite lang natin. So we have the given F is 25,000. Then time natin is isulat muna natin 2 years and 6 months. So kailangan natin siyang i-convert into years. So that is 2 years and half of a year. So that is 2.5 years. And then we have the rate which is 10%. So alam natin ang decimal niyan is 0.10. Then we have the compounding period which is 4. Kung bakit siya 4? Because it is quarterly. Now, pwede na nating isolve ang present value. So we have the solution. P is unknown. Okay, so we have the formula. P is equals to F over the quantity of 1 plus R over M raised to M times T. Substitute natin. We have 25,000 pesos divided by the quantity of 1 plus 0.10 divided by 4 raised to 4 times 2.5. Okay, so simplify natin to sa katong part na to. So pwede siyang maging ganito. P is equals to 25,000 divided by the quantity of 1 plus i-divide natin ang 0.10 divided by 4. The answer is 0.025 raised to 6 or 10 rather, because 4 times 2.5 is 10. So 0.10 divided by 4 is 0.025. Then 4 times 2.5 is 10. So the final answer for P is 19,529.96. Yung point natin na 0.96 is rounded off na of 2 decimal place. Therefore, the present value is 19,529 pesos and 96 centavos. So this is how we solve for present value under the topic of compound interest that is more than once a year.